Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. What do we have here today? Well, we got a Go Rhino E Board on a Jeep Wrangler JL. This is the Willys edition. I'll tell you, four-door here. Now, as you know from all our videos in the past, we do a lot of electric boards. We've pretty much done every brand there is electric boards. Now, Go Rhino is one of the new guys, and I tell you, I like it. I'll show you a couple of reasons why. Well, before we get and open the door, take a good look here. Go ahead, Joel, see how it looks. It almost looks like, what is that, a rock guard, those things called? What? Rock panel? Yeah, basically, protect the side from, when you're going off-roading. So, and that does that. Let's go ahead. You can hear that. It's a nice solid board. So let's go ahead and open it up. You ready? Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, she does have a nice LED light on there. So put your hand there, you can kind of see it. During the day, not so much, but yeah, at night you can see this thing quite nicely. It's got two of these, so two each side. So you open the door, they're gonna light up. Now, one thing I want you to notice here is the distance between the bottom of your Jeep and the ground. This is right here in the middle. Now, why is that good? Well, sometimes some power boards sit a little too high. A lot of stag boards, which is the ones that don't move, sit a lot higher. So the problem with that is it's just harder to get in. Having this come down right here in the middle, this is great. Now, this Jeep does have bigger tires and a little bit of a lift, and this thing is a perfect setup. I really think this is great. And I tell you, it's a nice quiet motor. It is a dual motor, so you got motors on the front and the back. So you got four motors all together. So you got your four lights or four motors. Now, of course, a lot of people are like, oh, how much does this hold? 600 pounds, right? So you can put two big people on there. As you can see, I'm not a little guy. Holds me just fine. I tell you, it's a great little setup. Comes with a nice 5-year manufacturer warranty. If we install it for you, you're going to have a 1-year warranty on the labor. Now, our warranty doesn't cover the parts. It covers our labor. But, if you have let's say you had a problem with one of the motors and they said, no problem, we'll send you a new motor. If it's in our year, we'll put that motor on free of charge. We give you a whole entire year of free labor. So that's nice if we install it for you. Also, if you buy it from us and we ship it, because about 40% of our business, we're shipping all over the country. If you buy this and you're installing it and you have some questions, you can call Joel, who's behind the camera. You can ask for me, Chris. Any of us is here to help you. Now, if you go and buy it from someone else and you're having problems and you call them and they don't call you back, and then you call us, I'm going to say, I'm sorry, you didn't buy it from us. You don't get us. You buy it from us, you get us. That's the best part about this. So, again, we can ship it anywhere in the country. You can come here in the store and get it. Like I said, you can pick it up here. You can also have us put it on for you. Now, I'm going to tell you a couple of little pros and cons I like to do for everybody here. This is a little harder to install wiring-wise. So I know a lot of times the manufacturer says, oh, it's easy, no problem whatsoever, because they're trying to sell you the boards. Now, Go Rhino, I am sorry, but you guys, the wiring is a little tougher. Joel can tell you, who's behind the camera, it's not the easiest thing in the world to do. Now, they did make some things easier. I find mounting the boards and everything else, I find that pretty easy. The wiring just takes a little time. So if you get that, keep that in mind. It's going to take a little longer to install. Of course, if you don't want to install it, we could do it for you. Again, if you buy them from us and we ship it to you, get some questions underneath it. Hey, I can't get this to work or that to work. You can give us a call and we'll help you out. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Before I forget, like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And again, we can ship this anywhere in the country. Again, Joel, go ahead and take one more look at this thing, how it works, how it looks. It is sharp looking. I like it. It's nice and beefy looking. It operates just beautifully. Okay, there we go. Again, if you like it, we can get it for you. Thank you so much. I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is the Go Rhino E Boards on a Jeep Wrangler JL. Thank you.